Hi, my name is Kyan Atkinson. I'm doing a level 2 carpentry apprenticeship with ME Bishop. A typical day, I usually start by going into the office and signing in, and then once I find out what plot I'm working in, I'll go down and talk to the carpenter I'm working with and get my jobs for the day, at which point I'll get out my tools which I need for the job and get started doing whatever I need to do. I've learned a lot from the people on site. I've learned a lot more about socialising with people, how to interact with people, as well as different skills, and people are nice about you asking questions and approachable. I have some multiple skills such as how to put on a window board, which I've learned how to do the cuts for it, how you have to attach it into the window frame, how to put the straps on, as well as how to use all the tools, the chop saws, nail guns, drills, all the tools which you need to use to get the job done. My mum always wanted to do house renovations, which I eventually picked up on, and that's why I chose into carpentry, because I can learn a lot of different aspects of how to build a house. You can start from the ground up, you can make survivals. I know all the different bits and I've learnt skills I need to use on renovating the house. Someone considering an apprenticeship, I would say if you feel like it's right for you, just go for it.